I'm Curtis Howerton, Connected Equipment Manager for Birkey's Farm Store, and thank you for joining me for this episode of Staying Connected with Birkey's. Today we're going to discuss viewing our electronic copies of our manuals on our AFS 1200 series monitor. The 1200 display allows us to upload manuals in a PDF to be used and viewed later. To find those, we'll click on the question mark on the left-hand side of the clock. From here we can see there are several manuals and operator's guides loaded onto this tractor's display. To view those manuals, we will open. So we're going to open the tractor quick reference card. From here we can see basics about the multifunction handle, as well as some of the remote settings. A very nice feature from this e-manual is the ability to search for certain settings. For example, I will search PTO, and it tells me that there are 22 matches for PTO in this document. To find those, we tap these arrows, the upper right hand area, and it highlights those for us, making it quick to refer to certain settings or find the information you desire. Thank you for joining me for this episode of Staying Connected with Birkey's.